Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Gururo with a new video titled How to Make Friends as an International Student, 3 Ways to Make Friends. Making friends is essentially the most crucial element of having a successful life experience when you study overseas. Generally, when we move to another country, we don't have a support network of family, friends, teacher, etc. Therefore, when you first move overseas, it can be not very safe. However, focusing on something that can help you make friends fast and enjoy the adventure of being an international student in another country. So what are something that you can do to make good friends as soon as you are in your new country? Please watch the video till the end to gain complete insights, else you will go with half-baked information. Number 1. Speak to other international students. The first people you will probably have contact with are other international students. This is because they will be in the same situation as you and feel the same pressures, excitement, nervousness that you will. The point is it will be easier to make friends with other international students than anyone else, especially if you live with or near them because you have a lot in common. So the idea is to speak to many international students in your group, class and try to find things you have in common. Also ask them questions about their countries and tell them about yours, etc. Before moving ahead, I would like to let you know that Gururo has tied up with top international universities and offers all courses across all continents except Antarctica. Check the link in the description to get a free consultation to get your dream university. Number 2. Join a team or club in your school, college or university. Another excellent method to make friends, especially citizens of the country you are in, non-international students, is to find group, sports, team, clubs, etc. where you can meet new people and increase the size of people that you know in your new country. Both within your school, college, university and also outside in the local community. Now, if you hate football, don't join a football team. Instead, find an activity you enjoy, have never tried and sign up. Generally, immigrants and international students are well accepted when they are seen to be trying to fit into a country and learning the culture. When you try new things, you will be appreciated and taken more and have a more significant opportunity to make friends. Number 3. Try to help other people. As discussed in the winning psychology section earlier, it is an excellent method to try and help other people. Not only will it make you feel good, but it will help you make friends. People will appreciate you more and probably want to help you when needed. It is also perfect for sharing ideas, advice, suggestions, etc. when people have questions. You will find it a lot easier to ask other people questions and have conversations when you are trying to improve their life. Basically, the more you help other people, the more you will be included and listened to and accepted when you meet new people or classmates. Do what the local people do. When you want to make friends with citizens from the country you will be living in, you need to put yourself in the right situation to meet those people. This can be difficult, especially if you don't speak the same first language as a native citizen of the country. However, you can do it. What you are looking to do is to find people who you can connect with even though you have a cultural barrier and quite possibly a language barrier. So how do you make friends with citizens of your country? First, try to find groups or teams in your university, school or college that contain a lot of native students. This group will be the easiest ones to connect with. You will already have things in common with them. Number 2. Try finding groups, activities or teams outside your school, university or college. This sounds logical, but trying and meeting as many people as possible is vital. So you will give yourself the best chance to make friends. Thus, it is essential to have contact with different people from different places to expand your pool of potential friends. Third, ask your school, university or college if they have any programs such as a study buddy or student guide to whom you can meet and talk. Fourth, finally, as previously discussed in this video, try to help other people and they will more likely become your friends, specifically with native citizens. Put up flyers or find something you are good at, teach them your language and try to teach someone something else or try to help them in some way. You are exotic, a foreigner from another country, so you use that your advantage and put yourself in a situation where local people want to learn about or your culture, language, etc. Just remember, you must put yourself in a safe position. Never meet someone in a secluded or quiet place. For example, If you are going to teach someone your language, give the lessons in your cafe, not in your house or apartment, or always have someone else with you if possible. The secret to making friends is to be proactive. You can't wait for someone else to talk to you. So you need to research for and find the situation that will help you when you meet new people. Then speak to them. Be friendly, and if you talk to enough people, you will find some great friends for life. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want more video like this, consider subscribing our channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Gururo. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.